Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bliss, and today we're diving into another useful template, our dynamic goal planner in Notion. It's packed with features to help you stay on top of your goals, whether you're a Notion pro or a newbie. We'll walk through setting up your goals, customizing categories, and tracking progress step by step. So, let's get started and make your goal setting journey a breeze. After duplicating the template, if you're unsure how, refer to my previous video where I explained the process. You can start personalizing this template to make it your own. First, the vision board. To change the vision board, you have to create your own. So I'm going to show you how I create mine. Search somewhere to write and make a list of all your wishes and goals for the future. Go to Pinterest and search for images that inspires you for each goal or wish. Create a 1920 by 1080 canvas on any software you'd like. I used Canva. And paste all your images and move them till you have something you like. Now save this picture and go back to your goal planner template. Click on the three dots in the right corner of the vision board image. Click replace, and now you can upload your image or paste an embedded link. If you have some goals that you want to take into account but aren't big enough to make a whole page for them, you can add them inside the respective boxes for yearly, monthly, and weekly goals. This way you can still keep track of all your objectives efficiently. First, erase the sample goals. Click Add, write your goal, and check and uncheck. It's that simple. Open the navigation section and go to the page Goals Planner. Here you'll find the gallery view. First, go to the arrow next to the blue button in the right corner. Click on the three dots right next to the template called Goal Name and go to Edit. Click on Category and edit the property by creating or erasing new categories. Go to the Goals Planner page on the navigation toggle list and click New. Personalize the name, cover, and the icon. Just put whatever you want in those. Now we're going to set up a date. You can either add the starting date to a deadline or just the starting date. Now change the category. And here on status, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about how this works. We have 5 different groups. Not started, that is when you're planning to start achieving this goal in the future. In progress, that is for the goals you're working on. Completed, that it's a group specified for achieved goals. On hold, that are goals you don't know when to start or if you want it. And not achieved, that are not completed goals. This way you can track efficiently your goals while you're still organized. Okay, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on optimizing your goal planner template. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in streamlining your goal setting process. Remember, whether it's yearly, monthly, or weekly goals, this template has got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, happy organizing!